Welcome. My name is Herwig Schoen. I founded ReConnective Therapy 20 years ago. Today, I wish to share with you, what is it? What is ReConnective Therapy? What happens when we do a ReConnective Therapy session? ReConnective Therapy is energy work, meaning we work with the energy body. Then, of course, leads us to the next question. And what is that? What is the energy body, and why is it beneficial to work with the energy body? The existence of the energy body can be very easily explained by employing Newton's law. So what you see here in these two slides, these black cubes, they represent physical matter. So Newton's law states that no physical matter can move without a force moving it. And we don't have to employ physics. We know this from everyday life. You know, every stuff that we put somewhere, it's not going to move until somebody moves it, meaning a force moves it. Otherwise, it would just stay where it is. So you see on the left side, these three yellow lines, they represent force. So only when force moves physical matter, it moves, and only then. Physical matter cannot move out of itself. So the energy body, the physical body is physical matter. So the same applies. Physical matter needs force to be moved. So if we look into the functioning of the physical matter, it's a very complex, very coherent movement of a lot of different pieces of physical matter all the time. So the force that moves these is in the energy body, as well as the information where every piece of matter has to be at any given time and how it has to move. So this unit of force and information in regards to the human physical body, we call the energy body. So we have learned that physical matter cannot move out of itself. So consequently, the physical body cannot generate anything out of itself. Cannot generate health, cannot generate disease, cannot generate anything out of itself, because physical matter is ruled by energy, force, and information. So whatever happens in the energy body has to be, whatever happens in the physical body has to be in the energy body first, because the energy body rules the physical body. For example, the energy body consists of two very basic aspects. The first is what we call the template of what is. It's all the information of how the physical body is structured at this very moment. Everything that works, everything that doesn't work is as information in this template. Every human being also has a second template, the template of perfection. So everything, the template of perfection only contains information of perfect physical body structure and function. No pain, no disease, anything whatsoever. Now we want to go to a little example to shed more light on what I just said. So what you see here in the physical body, in the center of this image, is a dysfunctional liver. You can see it's gray, it's unhealthy, it's unhappy. It's a dysfunctional liver. So we have learned that the body cannot generate a liver like this out of itself. So this information has to be in the template as is first, before it can manifest like this in the physical body. So what we see here. In the template of perfection, there's the information of perfect liver structure and function, as you can see here on the very left, the very happy, nicely colored liver. In ReConnective Therapy, as you can probably already guess, we facilitate the connection of the information of perfection all the way into the physical body. So take the example of the liver. It goes from the template of perfection into the template as is, restructuring that, and then into the physical body. So the physical body receives information of perfect liver structure and function. So the body, the liver and the body is restructured according to perfection. And what you can see here already on the right slide, the second person, that's the therapist. But the role of the therapist, how the therapist does that, we will attend to in a different set of slides. And this is basically the very basic thing about what we do in ReConnective therapy. Thank you.